Hey, good to see you. It seems like OpenAI has managed to keep the suspense high with their event announcement. While a ChatGPT-powered search engine or a new open-source language model would have been intriguing, it's evident that they have something else up their sleeve. Sam Altman's post on X indicates that the focus of the event is on something different from what people were speculating about. This leaves room for a variety of possibilities. While a search engine isn't on the agenda for today, it doesn't rule out the possibility of OpenAI exploring that avenue in the future, especially considering the advancements made by competitors like Perplexity and Google's experiments with AI in search. Ryan Morrison's speculation provides some interesting ideas about what OpenAI might unveil: an open-source small language model, an update like GPT-4 for free ChatGPT users, enhancements to the data cutoff in ChatGPT, or improvements to web search within ChatGPT could all be exciting developments. It's clear that OpenAI is continuously innovating, and whatever they reveal at the event is likely to be met with enthusiasm from their fans and the AI community at large.